Unraveling the mystery of habits. The invisible forces of habit. Imagine waking up in the morning and reaching for your phone without a thought. You scroll through messages, check the news, and begin your day. This daily action seems small, but it is part of a powerful force. Your habits. Habits shape who we are and how we live. But where do these habits come from? How do we form them? Understanding this can be exciting and a little bit scary. Our routines often control us more than we control them. The habit loop. To understand habits, we need to explore something called the habit loop. This loop has three parts: cue, routine, and reward. First, a cue triggers a habit. It can be a time of day, a feeling, or even a place. The cue prompts your brain to start the routine. Next is the routine itself. This is the action you take. Finally, there is a reward. Rewards can be anything that makes you feel good, like happiness or comfort. For example, when you feel tired, cue, you may grab a snack, routine, and feel happy after eating it, reward. This cycle repeats, creating a strong habit over time. But what happens when these habits are not healthy? Breaking bad habits. Breaking a habit can feel hard, almost impossible. Many people think they must use willpower alone to stop a bad habit. But here's a surprising idea. Using willpower might not be enough. Instead, understanding the habit loop can help. If you want to change a habit, try to identify the cue and the reward. Then, replace the routine. So, if you often snack when you feel bored, find another activity to do instead, like reading or going for a walk. This approach is often more effective than fighting against the habit alone. It is all about finding a new path in that loop. The power of environment. Our environment has a big effect on our habits. If you want to eat healthier, filling your home with healthy snacks can help. When healthy options are easy to reach, it is easier to form good habits. On the other hand, having junk food around can make unhealthy habits stronger. Your surroundings can either help you or hurt you. Making small changes in your environment can lead to big habit changes. The role of identity. An interesting idea is that our habits also connect to our identity. When you think of yourself as a healthy person, it is easier to make healthy choices. On the flip side, if you see yourself as someone who struggles with habits, that belief can hold you back. Changing how you see yourself can change your habits. Ask yourself, what identity do you want to build? This could change your actions and habits. The journey of habits. Forming new habits takes time. Experts say it can take around 21 days to build a new habit. But everyone's journey is different. Some habits may stick faster, while others take more time and patience. The important thing is to keep trying and not to give up. Celebrate the small wins along the way, as this will motivate you to stay on track. Every time you repeat a new habit, it becomes easier. Your habit journey. People often think that success happens overnight, but habits are built slowly. On this journey, remember that it is okay to struggle. Everyone does at some point. What matters is your willingness to change and grow. Reflect on your habits often and adjust your path as necessary. Think about which habits serve you best and which do not. This reflection can lead to greater self-awareness. Curious about how this fits into your life? What habits do you want to change or start? The power of progress. Habits can change your life. They can lead to more success, happiness, and health. By understanding how habits form, you can take control of your life. Instead of letting habits take charge, you can direct your journey. Approach each day as an opportunity to create positive habits. Use what you learned about cues, routines, and rewards to shape your life actively. In this way, every action can bring you closer to the person you want to be. Imagine a day where your habits help you feel alive and fulfilled. The journey of habits is a powerful one. As you explore your own habits, remember that you have the power to change, adapt, and grow. Now, what habits will you choose to build today?